Most welcome in this English vocab session first. It belongs to class 4 English main course book lesson 5 named The Stone Cutter. Let us enjoy it. It is of 4 columns. First column involves new words, second column involves English meaning of each given word, third column involves Hindi meaning of each given word, and finally fourth column involves usage of each word in sentence. First new word is crave. 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 English meaning long for or thirst for or hunger for. Hindi meaning याचना करना या तरसना. Use in sentence. Some people crave for fame. You can say even some people crave for wealth. Like that. Second new word is fame. 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 Its English meaning is popularity. हिंदी मीनिंग यश या प्रसिद्धि या शोहरत या ख्याति. And its use in sentence is some crave for fame. Third new word is spirit. 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 English meaning soul. Hindi meaning atma. And use in sentence, there was a spirit on the mountain. Next word is sometimes. 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 English meaning occasionally. Hindi meaning kabhi kabhi. Use in sentence, sometimes spirit help the stone cutter to be rich. Next word is delivered. 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 English meaning carry or supply. Hindi meaning देने गया या पहुँचाने गया. Use in sentence, the stone cutter delivered a large stone to a rich man's house. Next word is wish. 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 English meaning desire, and Hindi meaning ichha. Use in sentence, the stone cutter wished to be a rich man. Next word, that is seventh word, is carriage. 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 English meaning a vehicle with wheels that is pulled by horses, often called tonga, or in Hindi tum-tum. In Hindi meaning tum-tum ya tanga. Use in sentence, the stone cutter saw a prince in a carriage with a golden umbrella. Next new sentence is noticed. 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 English meaning observed. Hindi meaning ध्यान दिया या सूचित किया. Even you can say अवलोकन किया. And use in sentence, one day he noticed that the sun was stronger than him. Next word is chipped. 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 And English meaning cracked. 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 Hindi meaning fata. And use in sentence, the stone cutter chipped at him. At him means chipped on the stone. Next word is, that is 10th word, oh. 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 Its synonym or meaning is oops. Hindi meaning आश्चर्य सूचक अव्यय. It can be used as oof, I wear a cloud. Oof, if I wear a cloud, I would be even mightier. 11th word is granted. 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 English meaning accepted. Hindi meaning स्वीकृत. And use in sentence, the spirit granted the wish of the stone cutter. And next, that is last word is mightier. 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 English meaning very strong or powerful. Hindi meaning Shaktisali. And used in sentence, in this story, the cloud is mightier than the sun. Must note it down and get checked so that you can learn how to use these given words correctly. Thanks for watching. See you next class with new solution.